Edna asks, if an owner has replaced a burst geyser with a Stiebel Eltron water heating system, must that be noted particularly on the body corporate's insurance policy? And how do claims work for this if someone fails with the system? So yes, Edna, it's actually not a big deal, because if your geyser limit, for example, is 9,000 Rand or 9,500 Rand, and that would fall within that range, no problem. Okay, so that's the general sort of default. But you know what? What we try and do is try and identify what's there, and then we state what's there. We've got one building that springs to mind in town, where some of the units have got these different types of things. And what we've done there is we've listed them, we've got a quote for that product, and then we've made sure that it's within the right limits, etc. So better to state it, but if the cost does fall within the limit, you shouldn't have a problem.
Just to add to that, Mike, the Stiebel Eltron is it has a running draw of something to the extent of 28 amps or 25 amps of current as it's being used. And I would suggest that if a homeowner does go the route of replacing a geyser with a Stiebel Eltron, or those instantaneous types of heaters, as a body corporate or a managing agent, I would certainly want to see a certificate of compliance from the Electrical Contractors Board to say that the cable that's been run to that instantaneous heater has been is accepted, and that it is of the right thickness and can carry that kind of capacity.